Today, I'm going to try the most shocking ice cream from a Korean convenience store. When I first saw this, I was shocked to find rice in the freezer. Upon closer look, it wasn't actually rice. It was ice cream that looked exactly like rice. I bought it right away to compare it with real rice. The color is purple, so it looks like it might taste like blueberry. But when I tasted it, it was actually a rich, nutty grain flavor. Milk ice cream. There are bits of black rice throughout, adding a chewy texture. I was curious about how it would taste if I ate it together. The nutty flavor of the rice and the sweet together, creamy taste of the ice cream actually go well. I thought it would be terrible, but I was surprised that it was actually pretty decent. But still, rice is best enjoyed with seaweed.